Hi, this is me, Amal Hermuz from Vivian Hairstyle in Spain. I'm gonna show you today how to put the rollers in your own hair. Yes? So, as you see, I have here nice lovely fringe and I want to keep my fringe. So we're gonna keep that fringe. We're gonna start to put rollers from here. So we divide your hair with your hand, small tiny, yeah? And take some of the rollers, as much roller you can, and put it in your hair. Very easy, very simple. See? And this is my first roller. So we're gonna take a little bit of hair from here, yes, and put in your hair, and just go on with the hair. See? Now we go take a little bit of hair from here. You see? As much you take, that much volume you have. So just put more rollers in your hair. So we're going to take some little bit of hair, we're going to put the rollers, come the hair to the front, and then you go here. See? This is third roller. We're going to take a little bit of hair from here. Now we go on with our rolling the hair. I wish you can see it, yes. And then you go on here, just a little bit here. And take the hair up and put the roll. Yeah. You see? Very nice, beautiful, easy and simple to do. It's just feel the hair. Feel the hair and put the hair and go down. So this is the way you put the rollers. You see? So now we go on with the sides. Just little bit of hair. Put the hair up and turn the roller and down. See? Just as less as you can. Take a little bit here. Don't take too much here because you're gonna lose your movement fast. Little bit here. Turn, 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 and put the roller. So now we go to the here. I wish you can see it because I have a mirror here. So take a little bit of hair up and put the rollers. Very nice, easy, very simple. So just a little bit of hair to the up and put the roller. See the way you put the rollers? Now we go on to here. So little bit of hair. As less you can, just take as less you can here to leave it very nice, very attractive. Yeah, little bit of hair. It's like just you feel it with your hand how much hair you want to take. Just take as less you can. You see, and turn the hair down. So how more rollers you have in your hair, how better for your volume. So take the rollers, yeah, and turn up, 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 and then turn the hair down. See? Okay. As you see, I have the last part, so we're gonna go on here. We leave this part here. You see? Because I want to do this one to the front. So we take some little bit of hair here and put the rollers. Just little bit of hair, as less you can, and put the rollers. Okay. And I'm going to take a little bit of hair from here, as less we can. I will put the roller. Just a little bit of hair from here. here. Easy and simple to do. You see? As you see, I almost finished the last part here. A little bit up here. The rollers. Here, a little bit up here. See? I finished the hair here, as you see. Yes. Yeah. Now we go to the front. I like it to my face, so we're gonna put the roller here. Take a little bit of hair from here and put the to the front. Then we divide it in two. See? As less as possible, you take a little bit here. Don't put too much hair in one roll. See? Then we have, this is the last one from the side. So we're going to come back here and put the roll. You see? Okay. Now we go to this side. So it's the same. Take a little bit of here and just roll it to the front. See? Take a little bit of here and here and roll it. Comb the hair with the roller, so you have the point very nice, beautiful. Yes, a little bit of here. Divide this one a little bit, so as less hair you can just take a little bit of hair. You see, very little. See, a little bit of hair from here. One, the last one, usually I put two, so one up here just very soft and one here. Okay, this is the rollers. I show you how to put the rollers. This is the way I put the rollers in my hair. Yes, I'm gonna turn a little bit so maybe you can see it better. Yeah. Okay. As you guys see as much lower as you can. Yes, and I have here with me little bit of hair lacquer. So we're gonna put just a little bit of hair lacquer in the hair. You want it loose, so you turn it again to another rollers. No problem. So just a little bit of hair lacquer in my hair. And I'm gonna wait like 15 minutes, or I'm gonna go down the dryer 15 minutes and it will be ready. I will come later. By the way, this video is special made for Fran because he wants to see how to do the video, so especially for you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Hi, it's me, Amal Hermuz from Vivian Hair Design Spain. I'm gonna show you now today. We put rollers in my hair and I was like 15 minutes down the machine, and now it is really totally dry 100%. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the rollers and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So we start little bit, slowly down here. Just little bit, take the rollers, you see, and turn them back the way they were. So, see. we're gonna start the second. See, beautiful, very nice rolls. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna start now here the last point. I wish you'll see it because there's a mirror. It's very easy, simple to take the rollers. See, very easy, very nice. So take the roller and turn the hair back. So you take the rollers. As you see, very nice, lovely curls. See, just take the roller and turn the hair back. Very nice, beautiful. I wish you can see it. There is a mirror here. I sit here exactly, especially so you can see what's happening with my hair. Yeah. Beautiful, nice curl here. Not too curly, that's why I use for the big ones. So I don't have too much curly hair. Very nice, beautiful, lovely movement. You see? Okay. This is the result of my lovely curly hair. I wish you like it. Yes. So you can brush the hair or play just with your hands in the hair. So to be honest, I don't want to brush my hair. This is the brush, you can brush it with this one. But I don't brush my hair, I like it to have too much curl inside and beautiful. Very nice. So what to do is just put some little bit hair placa and keep the curl as wild as possible. Very nice, beautiful curled hair. Yeah, I wish you like it. This is me, Amal Hermuz from Hair Design. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.